Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to see hidden mentions on Instagram story. So let's just say someone tag you on their Instagram story and you're not sure if you're really tagged because you cannot see your name or you cannot see the picture or any evidence that you are tagged by someone on their story. So it seems like you were tagged, you were mentioned, but you're not sure if you are really tagged by someone's story on IG. So to make sure, you have to open your Instagram, but first you can only do this switch to personal account or if you're using personal account. So once you're using your personal account, then you can go back to your Instagram and then tap these three lines at the top right corner and then scroll down here till you see these tags and mentions. So under tags and mentions, you can see here options such as manually approve tags or who can mention you or review tags. So if you tap this review tags here, you will see all the tags or all of the mentioned tags, especially if you think that or you're kind of skeptical if you were really tagged on that specific story. So with the pending tags, you will see here those people who have tagged you, whether you can see that or not. You can see here on pending tags, and you can see it also on tag if you are tagged by someone in a photo or a reel. So there are tendencies that you can't see that, but you want to make sure if you are really tagged on that story. So all you have to do is to go to settings and then go to tags and mentions. And then here you can simply set up or you can change the settings here. Like you can allow mentions from everyone or don't allow mentions. You can also tap this manually approved tags or you can tap this don't allow tags. So that's it. That's how easy it is to simply see hidden mentions on Instagram story. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.